Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. From a plain reading of the aforesaid provision, it is evident that a person accused of an offence punishable with imprisonment for a term which may be less than 7 years or which may extend to 7 years with or without fine cannot be arrested by the police officer only on his satisfaction that such person had committed the offence punishable as aforesaid. Full stop. A police officer before arrest in such cases has to be further satisfied that such arrest is necessary to prevent such person from committing any further offence or for proper investigation of the case or to prevent the accused from causing the evidence of the offence to disappear or tampering with such evidence in any manner or to prevent such person from making any inducement, threat or promise to a witness so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or the police officer, or unless such accused person is arrested, his presence in the court whenever required cannot be ensured. Full stop. These are the conclusions, which one may reach based on facts. Full stop. The law mandates the police officer to state the facts and record the reasons in writing which led him to come to a conclusion covered by any of the provisions aforesaid, while making such arrest. Full stop. The law further required the police officers to record the reasons in writing for not making the arrest. Full stop. In pity and core, the police officer before arrest must put a question to himself, why arrest, question mark, it is really required, question mark, what purpose it will serve, question mark, what object it will achieve, question mark. It is only after these questions are addressed and one or the other conditions as enumerated above is satisfied, the power of arrest needs to be exercised. Full stop. In fine, before arrest, first the police officers should have reason to believe on the basis of information and material that the accused has committed the offense. Full stop. Apart from this, the police officer has to be satisfied further that the arrest is necessary for one or the more purposes envisaged by sub clauses within bracket A to within bracket E of clause within bracket 1 of section 41 CRPC. Full stop. An accused arrested without warrant by the police has the constitutional right under article 22 within bracket 2 of the constitution of India and section 57 CRPC to be produced before the magistrate without unnecessary delay and in no circumstances beyond 24 hours, in excluding the time necessary for the journey. Full stop. हैंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।